Moving on to the freaky flashing light phenomena. Again, I have an entire folder. There's 41 videos in here. There's 6 rows of 7 minus this one here. That's 42 minus 1, 41 in that folder alone. You're about to see more amazing examples of this phenomena that's sweeping the globe. Starting off in Fredericksburg, Virginia. I've updated the map. Fredericksburg is now on the map. Bobby via Christy T, January 23rd, last night. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. She was driving through the lot, stopped her car, and took that video. Going up to Chicago, video sent in by Herb, also from January 23rd of 2025 at 7:26 a.m. This video has narration by Herb. Here we go.
Hey, this video is for Mr. MBB333. Just want to show you a blinking light right here. This is a phenomenon all over the United States and the world, other countries, which is weird. This is strange. Because I'm at work right here. This is my building here. This is the only light that's blinking for some strange reason. And there's nothing wrong with our electrical system at all. So, my name is Herb. This is from Chicago. This is a building downtown where I work. This is the only this is the only light that's blinking on and off, which is really strange. You know, it's happening all over, I see. For some mysterious reason. This is weird. Okay, this is Herb from Chicago. Everybody have a great day.
And as you heard Herb say, he's very familiar with this building. He's never seen this before. And there was only one out of the dozens that we could see in this video that was behaving mysteriously, just like the rest of the mysterious lights that are flashing for unknown reasons around the world. Moving on to video number 3, going to Fort Worth, Texas. This video has narration by Philly Cheese. Here we go.
Mr. BB333, I thought of you. Flashing lights, Fort Worth, Texas, January 22nd.
How about that? That's not the first gas station canopy that we've seen with multiple lights underneath the canopy flickering like that. This is the first video I've gotten out of Fort Worth, Texas, and you can see there's several of those lights underneath that canopy malfunctioning. Moving on to video number 4. Going over to Chorley in the United Kingdom. Matthew, January 22nd of 2025 at 5:50 p.m. Check this one out. Obviously, this is something that doesn't occur on a nightly basis. He just happened to notice it, took a video. We're seeing this phenomena all over the world, even over in the United Kingdom. I've gotten several videos from the United Kingdom. Video number 5 of the mysterious flashing light phenomena. This video may be a little bit bright for people that are sensitive to the very bright flashing lights. So just giving you a heads up, this video is out of Mexico. It's the first video I've received out of Mexico. Right here, down in Carmen. Look at that light. Going wild. See how bright that is? Just wanted to give you a heads up because that's probably one of the brightest ones I've seen and the only one I've received so far out of Mexico. Video number 6, going to Amarillo, Texas. Darren, video from January 12th, 2025 at 6 a.m. This video has narration by Darren. Here we go.
This is in the Academy parking lot, facing west in Amarillo, Texas. January 12th, about 6 a.m.
Great catch, Darren. Video number 7, going to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Check this out. An entire department store parking lot. Thomas Rudnicki, January 11th of 2025, 8:30 p.m. Couldn't believe it when he noticed all of the parking lot lights flickering, malfunctioning. At least 5, maybe more. Something is interfering with the flow of electricity on planet Earth in unpredictable locations. This is showing up once again all around the world. Here's an updated version of the flashing light phenomena map in the United States. I also have an arrow pointing to the United Kingdom. I'm going to make a map from the United Kingdom because I'm getting so many videos from the UK. I've also gotten videos from Australia and Hawaii. And as you can see, the U.S. map now has over 50 different locations, and I have more to add to the map whenever I get through this batch of videos right here. Once again, there's over 40 in that folder alone.